Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to be looking over the new chat system I coded. It doesn't look like much right now because, well, I didn't really do a lot of work on it. So, let's go ahead and log in. Now, the web page that you see actually has status on it, like status bars, which most websites don't, nor does most of the chat filters or crap like that people usually release doesn't have anything like that. Something that doesn't actually work. Well, I can assure you that mine does work. It has ranks included with chat color. You can click on someone's icon and this will bring you to their profile page. Another feature is you can actually upload your own image. Oh, well, I probably forgot to submit it. My bad. There we go. And as you can see, our image is there. Also there. Adding it into the chat was not fun, but it's done. We can even go to other people's profile as well. Your email is not shared at all, so only you can see your email. You can actually search a username up here. And here we go with the moderator. You got the online members, which needs a little bit more work. And also a deleted user, you know, just for the heck of it. Now, we can't forget about the registration. This doesn't have to be your Minecraft username. I was using a public API for the images. Input an email. It has to be a valid email. It checks for that. Everything you see right here has to be filled out. You can choose male or female, your country, password, a 4-digit PIN, which is for extra security. You can also reset your password using your email and your PIN and click a new password. Now we're gonna log back in here, and we can't forget about the emojis. We also support emojis. Oh, well, if I can type it right. Yeah, has to be a capital D. The chat's capital. Can't really tell. But yeah. That's also a cool feature that I added. Now let's go to the database and check out what's all going on. So here we got the IDs, we got the names, here we got the email and country. Now, every time a user registers, it logs their IP, so that way you can actually ban them if something happens. You can actually deactivate the account as well. If this is set to deactivated, the user cannot log in. It was pretty easy to make that part. We got the status right here. If you go AFK for about 15 minutes, it automatically redirects you to another page. I'll show you right now. And after it does that, it puts your status to idle. So so it automatically does that every 15 minutes. Now in the chat, here we got the username as well as the image. This is how the only way I could possibly put the image through the database. The chat is not like certain, I think these are quotations. No, I don't remember what these are called. Okay. Wait, you can't enter those. The chat doesn't support that. You can actually change your text color. And there you go. We also support that. We also have a chat filter. Which was another cool thing we added in. We thought, you know what, why not? We as in me, myself, and I. So yeah, this is basically the entire chat. Let's go over a couple bugs that I don't really know how to fix, nor am I going to continue to work on. Physically for me, I discontinued the chat. I don't know if I should continue it. If you let me know in the comment section below, I will continue it. I'll be more than glad to. I'm just really bored of it, and I just wanted to go ahead and get this out there. But one of the bugs are you can just search a random name and it doesn't do any of that. So I made sure it wouldn't echo any of the errors, because I know my coding very well, and I know the profile part has no errors. I know that for sure. But you can type in a random name and it does that. And so, like the image, yeah. Missing in action. Well, that's supposed to mean anyway. We have an actual time on it. The messages are all sorted by the message ID. It was just called ID. I had to configure almost everything. This was called name. I had to reconfigure almost all of the tables. I dealt with the database being completely corrupted, so that set me back. The image right here, I don't remember if this had to be included. I just left it included just in case. So, because I don't know if it'll still give an error if it's not there. I don't know. I prefer not to find out. But you're more than welcome to recode or use this anywhere. There would be a download link for this entire chat in the description down below. Well, I think that pretty much covers the website. The only way to change the role and the color is going to the database. There is an admin page. Let me get to it. This is the only way to get to it. Yeah, that'll have to be fixed. Just rename it to whatever database you have. This was the public API I was talking about. This is just normal Minecraft API. But you can deactivate an account. You can remove their bio, which replaces it with bio removed by administrator. Or you can also rename your account, or whoever's account. Again, just go into the admin page on line 20 and rename the database chat to whatever database you're using. You should already know how to do that anyway, if you were going to be using this, or as a guide. If you're wondering the color of the chat, see in the background. Um, yeah, it was on here. Wait a minute. Actually, no. Okay, back here and around the entire body of the website, I used the color code from Discord, the online status, and things like that right here are a template from Discord. Yes, I use Discord to help guide me a little. I also used Planet Minecraft as a guide. Um, I also went to a couple websites and found a HTML template, which led me with this right here. And the rest I just came up with. Now this is all easily configurable. You can change the icons or the size. You can make it where it's actually a square or whatever image you want. You can change the default images to whatever. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. And let me know down in the comment section below if you want me to continue the website, or just be yourself and I'd just not continue it at all. Well, I will talk to you guys later.